My name is Jeremiah Rodriguez. I never made music before Best Music Coach. I just played it, sang it. That's pretty much it. Listened to it. Before I joined Best Music Coach, I wanted to make music. After taking the courses and learning what I needed to know, and I finally started making music, and I enjoyed it a lot more than I thought I would. And I'm kind of thinking I put it off a little too long. I really felt like there was something missing. And like having this be a way of expression, it there's no other way I can explain it other than it feels good. Before this class, I really talked to people as if I was just talking to them to kind of get them away from me because I had that feeling like I was just going to see them, and then at the end of the day, I was never going to deal with them again. And like, I even did that with people that I talked to daily, but like, I had kind of that feeling like I didn't really want to talk to people any deeper because I felt like it was really hard for me to really express how I feel and like express my ideas. Like there was no really way for me to there was no way for me to express myself basically. I know I haven't been taking these courses for that long, but I already feel like I am improving on that through this. I found out about Best Music Coach actually through Music Theory for Gamers. Um, I wanted to learn more, so I went to the website and found an offer that worked for me at the time, and I decided I would, well, give it a shot and well, see where it went. Because I thought if I was going to make music, I should invest, basically. I should invest, and if it worked, then it would pay off really well. I did have some doubts that I would be able to actually make something original that didn't happen to sound like something that already exists. I know now that I am able to make something original. Like when it comes to music, I am able to make an original piece like that expresses me basically. I don't know how else to say that. It's just that simple, I guess. Even though I had that feeling that I might be accidentally copying off of artists that I have been listening to because I really look up to VGM artists that I have been listening to for years. For years, I've heard C418's music since I was a kid, like since I was 8 years old, and like, and like, but me thinking about that and like, am I had a feeling that if I were to actually get like, if I were to learn more, if I were to well, not improve because I never wrote music for this, but like if I were to learn more, I could I could possibly go into this, make something original that I like and that I can show other people, and it would just be cool. I feel now that I am able to freely write music. I wasn't able to do that before, so that's definitely I definitely feel happy about that. I don't think there's any other vocabulary I know that fits here other than it feels great. As for impact for people around me, that would mainly just come down to the way I've been feeling a little more confident now, I guess, and me feeling like I can talk to people a little differently than how I used to, better than how I used to. And I like feeling like I can express myself without feeling like there was something missing like back then. To anyone who's unsure about the courses, well, I can dispel one thing I felt going into this right now. I used to think that growing up, I thought that the one thing I would never be doing is making stuff that's original. Like I thought back then that I would not grow up to be any kind of artist because I used to tell myself all the time like there's not an ounce of creativity up here. It's all just mathematics or whatever. But I know now that me going me going through my life with that mindset was a mistake. And if that is the reason that someone would doubt taking this course, then I would probably encourage them to take the course because and start writing music. You have to start somewhere, pretty much. And like even if you're not able to make something that you love now, you're probably not gonna be able to make something that you love now, like high quality stuff that you hear in like AAA gaming. Like no. Like start off small, like with melodies and such, like just 8 measure melodies, and then go from there. Like you don't have to keep them the same. You can go through the courses, and if you want, you can come back to them, add some stuff, remove some stuff, change some stuff, and use what you learned, and you can improve it basically. Well, to anyone who's unsure about joining the VIP mastermind, I would say if you have any kind of love for just even just listening to music, being able to understand the way that music works and being able to even to make it yourself is, well, if you want to get there quickly, then I would say this is this is a good choice. There are other people who are in the same boat as you, other people who are starting out, and I'm getting a little emotional here. Yeah, but there are other people here who are in pretty much the same boat as you, and being able to grow alongside them is it's good motivation. It's a good way of feeling like you are not alone in this. Like I can't explain the emotions that I'm feeling. What I can say is that I have felt different since I joined the group and started following along with what other people have been making, sharing what I've been making, and well, knowing that and basically being able to find inspiration in their successes with what they're doing and having possibly them being able to find inspiration in mine. That's that makes me feel once again there's no other word I can use here other than good. That's my only positive vocabulary, just good, great. I say I've never had any problems working with Dan. I and in fact he's actually pretty cool. It definitely does help. It still helps having like someone doing that directly, uh, as well as like being in a group of other people who are also learning. There is definitely an advantage to that, and I have definitely seen that in this course. I came into this course because I really wanted to be able to understand the video game music that I've been listening to up to this point and be able to make my own music in the style of VGM, basically. I also have kind of this dream of being able to make music for games, and I've been thinking about going into that at some point. And even if it's not for my own game, I'm still thinking about if I'm going to make my own game at some point, but even then, like, that's it's definitely worth noting that that is something that I definitely look forward to, something I've been thinking about and kind of I definitely feel just seeing myself in the future doing that. I I feel excited is the only word I can use here. I wouldn't have gotten here if I wouldn't have taken the step and actually joined this course, joined the group, went through and learned everything that I needed to, and just being able to do my own thing with that, making music in the style that I enjoy, and knowing that I will never be without music because now I'm able to make it. Even if I don't end up making my own game, just being able to make music in the style that I like, that I enjoy, that I that I could possibly hear being used in someone else's game that has like this really cool like gameplay mechanics and art style that I really like, and knowing that I put my own touch on it, like, oh, that sounds awesome. I see that it is possible. Not just possible. I feel now that I can make that happen. I feel now that I can make that happen. I that I can make that happen. I guess I can put the period there.